Hi there, I'm Prineshan, a cloud support engineer at the AWS office in Cape Town. Today, I'll show you how to request an increase to your SMS spending limit when you use Amazon Simple Notification Service to send SMS messages. Let's get started. After you reach the monthly SMS messaging spending limit for your AWS account, you receive a no quota left for account provider response in the SNS delivery status logs when you send SMS messages through Amazon SNS. To resolve this error, you must request a spending limit increase. However, this spending limit is at the region level, so you must be sure to request the spending limit quota increase for the correct region. First, determine how much of a spending increase you require. You can calculate this by multiplying the expected number of SMS messages per month by the cost per message part. The cost is around 0.00266 USD per message part for most countries, but make sure that you double check the pricing for your specific destination country where you send SMS messages to. You can find the pricing for specific countries in our worldwide SMS pricing page in the Knowledge Center article linked in the video description. For example, if you expect to send 300 SMS messages per day, this means that you will send 9,000 messages per 30-day month. Because each message is just one part, your calculation is the amount of 9,000 multiplied by $0.00266. This is the calculation for the example. When calculating your SMS spend quota, it's a best practice to understand these limits. A single SMS message part can contain up to 140 bytes of information or 160 characters for the GSM 7-bit alphabet. If an SMS message contains more than the maximum number of characters or maximum amount of bytes, then the message splits into multiple SMS message parts, with each part not exceeding the maximum limits mentioned above. The maximum number of characters in a single SMS message part depends on the type of encoding for the characters that you use. Now let's create an AWS support limit increase case. First, log into your AWS account. Then, navigate to the search bar on the top and search for support. Navigate to the AWS Support Center and then choose Create Case. Click on the Looking for Service Quota Increases link. Click on Create Case instead. Select SNS text messaging for the service in the drop-down. You can provide a link to your website here. You can specify what type of messages you want to send. You can also select which AWS region you are sending SMS messages from. You can provide the countries you plan on sending SMS messages to. You can provide information about how your recipients opt in to SMS messages from you. You can also provide a message template that you intend on using to send your SMS messages. Moving on to the mandatory fields. Select the region you are using SNS in from the region drop-down list. Select the resource type as general limits. Select account spend threshold increase for SMS for quota. Enter in your new quota value. Enter a use case description to provide further details on your request. Please ensure not to enter in any sensitive information in your description. An example is as follows. AWS can deny requests for very high limits without a legitimate use case, so provide as much detail as possible in your description. After the limit increase is approved, you must update your spending preference in the SNS console. Now you can click Submit. Navigate to the SNS console. Select Text Messaging. Click on Edit Preferences under Delivery Status Log. Change the value for your account spend limit to the new value you requested. And now save the changes. So now you know how you can request a spending limit increase for SMS messages in Amazon SNS. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.